Okay, in this section I'm going to run you in this section I'm going to run you through some fundamental chord progressions. Alright, so I know I showed you the four main chords, but basically with those four main chords, depending on what song you're playing or how you're playing it, they can be used in different sequences. So the standard sequence for this chord progression is G, D, E minor, and C. Okay, that's a standard chord progression where you're going G, D, E minor, C. But then the thing is that even if you get used to doing that, you also want to train your hand to be adaptive, so that instead of just following D right after G and E minor after D and C after E minor, you want it to be able to go from G to E minor to C to D, from E minor to D to C to G, from G to C to D, from C to D to E minor G. Okay, so you want to train your hand to go through all those different sequences. So in the next few videos, what I'm just going to do is I'm just going to briefly demo to you each of these chord progressions and just run you through a very simple exercise you can do to start training your hand to get used to the different movements as well. And also, before I do that, in these exercises I'm going to be using the normal chords, not the easier variations. But if you want to use the easier variations, please feel free to use them. Just remember, replace D with D sustained 4, E minor with E minor 7, and C major with C add 9. Just replace those, okay? Just replace all the normal chords with those while you're practicing the progressions, and just follow along with the exercise. But for the sake of the exercise, I'm going to be using the normal chords, okay? Just so that it's clear to see what's happening and to hear what's happening. Alright, so with that, I'll step you through each of the chord progressions.